ITCpower. Empower your business.
Take out the oil drain pipe from the bottom. Unscrew the oil drain bolt. Drain out all of dirty oil, then tighten the bolts. Unscrew the fixing bolts of the oil filter. Take out the oil filter. Install a new oil filter, then tighten the bolts. Fill new oil. Fill the oil till oil level between two gauge lines. Unscrew the screws and take off the cover. Unscrew the nut of the air filter cover. Take out the dirty air filter element. Install the new air filter. Reinstall the air filter cover and tighten the nut. Remove the fuel pipe at the lower end of the fuel filter. Remove the fuel filter. Replace new fuel filter. Insert the fuel pipes at both ends and clamp the clamps. Need to pay attention to the direction of the fuel filter facing down.